Today, we'd like to show you how to make a concrete test cylinder according to the ASTM C31. This practice will be done by WA students Tirado de Barría, Jesus David, Díaz Sánchez Luis Enrique, and myself, Castro Esmendi Eric. We're located in our concrete laboratory here in the Civil Engineer faculty, place where the practice will be held. During the video, safety equipment, tools, and procedure will be described as in the standard, so please enjoy it.
Every person elaborating the cylinder must wear gloves, a robe, and sturdy work shoes or boots. The tools required for the test are a cylinder mold. Its length must be 2 times its diameter, minimum diameter 2 inches for a 4 inches tall mold. Molds for casting concrete test specimens shall conform to the requirements of specifications C470/C470M. A tamping rod, a 5/8 inch diameter rod with hemispherical ends with length of 26 inches. A scoop, a metallic scoop strong enough to retain the concrete. A mallet, a neoprene mallet with a wood handle. The head weight must be 21 ounces, more or less 7 ounces. A mud release. A bubble level. A sponge to moisten. And a plastic lid to prevent moisture loss.
Every tool that will be in contact with concrete must be moist in order to not lose any humidity.
The mold will be placed on a level, rigid surface, free of vibration and other disturbances, at a place as near as practicable to the location where they are to be stored. Before placing the concrete, make sure to put the mold release all over the intern area. Select a small tool of a size and shape large enough so each amount of concrete obtained from the sampling receptacle will be representative and small enough so concrete is not lost when being placed in the mold. While placing the concrete in the mold, move the small tool around the perimeter of the mold opening to ensure an even distribution of the concrete and minimize segregation. In this test, we will fill the cylinder in 3 layers. Each layer of concrete shall be consolidated as required. Roll the layer 25 times, distribute the rods uniformly over the cross section, and make sure to penetrate the last layer by approximately 1 inch. Then, lightly tap the outside of the mold at the layer's height. We put our foot to prevent any glide that may be caused by the molded hits. The procedure repeats over the last 2 layers. In placing the final layer, add an amount of concrete that will fill the mold after consolidation. At the end, strike off the mold, removing any concrete excess with the tamping rod to produce a flat, even surface. Clean the mold, edges, and finally place the plastic lid.